Is kennel cough contagious? When individuals hear their beloved canine coughing away, it not only appears a little strange, but it can be really scary as well. This is due to the fact that coughing is mainly associated with human beings. The fact is that there is not that big of a difference in between pet dogs and human beings when it comes to breathing infections. Dogs suffer from respiratory discomfort too. There has been some concern over the connection between kennel cough and human beings. While the opportunity of an infection traveling in between animals and human beings could in the beginning appear complicated, there is research that insists that this is indeed the truth.Person. Bordeltellosis people with a feeble invulnerable system are prone to human bordetellosis. Although this problem is not common, it's not uncommon either, and its impacts can't not be ignored. Vaccination.com states that this health problem can be transmitted in between pets and people via coughing. Other than people with an unsteady invulnerable system, youngsters and pregnant women have actually been reported to be at risk of acquiring kennel cough. This illness is triggered by a microorganism called Bordetella brochiseptica. This microorganism can be compared with the Bordetella Pertussis microorganism that causes whooping cough. Some scientists argue that there already existing no connection in between kennel cough and humans, as they hold the idea that there is no possibility of people acquiring these sorts of conditions. Transmission if Kennel CoughAir is felt to be the major transmitter of kennel cough in human beings. Those people living in filthy and poorly aired areas are more prone to this illness compared to those that live in well-ventilated areas. As a result, it is very important to make sure that your setting is tidy. Furthermore, human beings should prevent interacting with contaminated canines. Influenza as well as bad colds are additionally to signs that are often connected with kennel cough. .DeterrenceHealth care professionals think that there is no spread about kennel cough and human beings. This is commonly due to the fact that prevention of these diseases is much easier compared to treating them once they happen. Those who would certainly such as to prevent undergoing the problems of being affected with kennel cough ought to stay clear of interacting with infected pet dogs, since the ailment is airborne in attributes. In case you believe you can't not prevent interacting with pets, after that you should consider vaccinating them. Them.TherapyAlthough some experts argue that there is no correlation between kennel cough and people. We could see some individuals having the same symptoms as their pets do after interacting with them while they had kennel cough. Using antibiotics has confirmed to be efficient for dealing with kennel cough in humans. In order to manage moderate signs, people are advised to use cough suppressants. Using steroids is very inhibited, for they weaken one's invulnerable system. From these realities, it is clear that kennel cough has actually led to damage of health and wellness amongst people and pets. It does not matter its transmission resource, all people have to rise to the affair and make certain that they fight this illness. I know though sometimes we still worry. If that's the case with you, you might want to see this. It has tons of answers to questions like, is kennel cough contagious? If you have health concerns for your dog, you'll appreciate it as a resource. Make a note. The answers you need for your pet's health, like is kennel cough contagious, will help you be confident you are giving your dog the best care possible.